Hi, this is Sherilyn Hoffman with Lady Realtor Boss. Here is the 16-page editable version of the listing presentation and the seller's guide. You can go ahead and click on it and change anything that you want, such as graphics, fonts, colors, size, you name it. It can all be done. And in this, I'll go ahead and show you, I'll scroll down with it really quick and then I'll explain to you what's in it. Okay, so everything that is included is a page on why they need to work with you, how they're going to experience the difference, how their needs will come first, and giving them a complimentary CMA, looking around the home to figure out their special features, the home selling process, which includes initial consultation, design and marketing plan, and how to review and accept offers. And then we even talk about ways that they can promote their property and understanding market value, determining a sensitive price, and then how they are the key players in their home and how they need to show off their home every time whenever there's an appointment. Seller connections, if they need to hire movers, housekeepers, painters, stagers, or handymen. And then this very last page that you see here is just a little summary about where you can put your picture and your name and how you can say how long you've lived in the area, maybe some of your real estate stats or some of your realtor designations of courses that you've taken to show that you are a real estate expert. So this will help you leaps and bounds. This will help you look like a true real estate expert professional. So if you are ready to make yourself look like a real estate professional, go ahead and click below and it will take you to the shopping cart. Thank you so much.